In this video, you will see how to insert page border in Word document. To insert page border in Word document, first click on the Design tab. At the right-hand side, you will see here the option Page Borders. Click on it to see this page border window. Make sure you have clicked on Page Border. Then select Box, and you will see here many type of borders, for example, dash border or dotted border. You can even see triple line border or double line border. Select any one, and you will see the preview here. If you want to change the color, you can select the color as well. You can see the preview. And this width is the thickness of the border. If you want to increase the thickness, you can select any appropriate thickness. Under the art, if you want a design border, you can see many designs. Just select any design of your choice. And because we want to apply this border to the whole document, so we will select here whole document. And then click on OK to insert page border. Now check out this video that will show you how to insert page border on specific page. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. Thank you.